What's up guys, it's Noyerad back with another video. Today, because I care, is how to make better beats. There's 3 tips I'm gonna give y'all. They help me improve and progress in my beat making, so hopefully they will help you. Let's get into it. Alright, so one of the first things that I'm gonna talk to you guys about is simplicity. I mean, understanding when enough is enough. So a lot of times when we're making beats, as producers, we add a lot of things. It's not necessary. For example, you might have piano, another piano, and layer the pianos on top of each other. Then what's happening are these phases, and then it just kind of cancels each other out. Then it's pointless. Let's check out my track from my new beat tape 21, which is out now. You guys should go check it out. I'd appreciate it. Yeah, let's check out this track. Let's check out this track from One Day. Let's check out this track titled One Day. You see how simple the beat is? Like, you know, somebody might hear it and be like, oh, it need more this, it need more that. Fam, you can make a whole song from that. That's all you need. Once you understand that it doesn't take 20,000 instruments to make a good sounding song, great sounding song actually, if you know what you're doing, then bro, you're on your way to being a better producer. Moving on to the next point, mixing. Now, I'm not the best mixer in the game, you know what I'm saying? I don't think anybody has perfect mixes. There's always gonna be someone else like, oh, well, that snare needs to be turned up or turned down, or it needs a little shine on it, a little sparkle. Like, you have to learn what works for you. At the end of the day, you could have the best mix that you've ever made. Like, you know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna have somebody come along and be like,
I think that your 808 is too loud.
Take what I'm saying with a grain of salt, but also understand that if you have a simple beat, you understand how to mix that beat, boom, look at you. You get in there, fam, you're on your way to success. Okay, so on the melody, what is there? Just an EQ. Alright, so on this clap again, all I have is an EQ. And then I have this little stereo imager thing that I put on my instruments to make them more or less centered. We got the hi-hats in here. The hi-hats don't really have anything on them. From what I've learned with making beats with your hi-hats, it's really about leveling them. If you have them too loud, it's like they fight with other instruments, and then if you have them way too quiet, you can't hear them. I have these turned down -5 dB, but I'm sure I did some more leveling prior to bringing them into here. These are the stems from the original beat, so. And then last but not least, we got the kick. I'm pretty sure I turned it down just a smidget, just so that it's not like clipping. And then it also sounds like it has a filter of some sort on it. I might have put a filter on it, like I said, in the original mixing session. But yeah, guys, like that's it. That's the mix right there. Boom. Third tip is something that, again, I still struggle with from time to time, and I know a lot of you guys out there struggle with it. Finishing your beats. When I say finish, I'm not talking about like, oh, completely 100% mixed, you know, mastered and everything. No, I'm talking about getting the full idea out while it's there. In 2 seconds, that idea is gone. If you don't capitalize on it, then it's gone. When you're out here and you're making your beats, vibing with the music, and then boom, oh, I want to add a hi-hat. Okay, now boom, I want to add a kick. Keep that rhythm going. If you gotta piss, hold your pee, fam. Don't hold your pee, you're gonna get a bladder infection. When I first started making beats, I could never finish a beat. Why can't I ever finish a beat? It's something that I'm just not skilled in doing, right? Okay, how do you get skilled in doing something? You do it. You keep doing it and trying to do it and trying to do it and trying to do it. There are instances where there are learning curves. So for example, I was still learning my DAW. I didn't understand like simple things like, oh, I can take this loop and pitch it down, and that's my B section of the song. Or I can take this loop and chop it up and then put some more effects on it, and then that's the C section from my song, you know. But once you just kind of like get out of your own way and just allow yourself to create, I'm telling you, you're gonna come up with an idea. You might also have to learn your DAW a little better, but you're gonna get there, I promise. That's it. That's all I have for y'all. Hopefully you find these tips useful. Like I said, if you have any questions about anything, or if you just want to make a statement, you just want to talk to me, hey, I'm here. Good. Send me a little comment down below and I will respond. I always respond to my comments. One more thing, guys. Like I said earlier, my new beat tape is out, 21, on all platforms, Amazon, Spotify, iTunes, whatever. Do me a favor and go stream it, add it to your playlist. It's on TikTok too, so if y'all make TikTok videos, y'all can use my music. I would really appreciate it, guys. From the bottom of my heart. It's on the left side. Until next time, guys.
Bye.